Hiniker sets itself apart by being almost exclusively a commercial plow manufacturer. We're really not building for the small truck homeowner market. We're doing all half-ton, three-quarter-ton, one-ton commercial vehicles. Plows are primarily purchased by contractors. They have an excellent reputation for durability, very low service requirements. A lot of thought goes into the design. Our plows are designed to be friendly to use. We have a very nice controller, gets excellent reviews from our customers and in the industry in general. We build plows that are specific to purposes. We have a scoop plow for parking lots that gathers snow and moves it across the lot for stacking more efficiently than a V plow or a straight plow. We have our C plow, which folds over and actually converts to a back drag plow with a blade in reverse for dragging snow out of residential situations and tight corners at small businesses and so forth. So we're all about efficiency for the operator.